Hello, 101.5 FM.
On Enra, Ghana, COVAX vaccine out of 92 countries. Yani the first country, United Nations, say, Monje na monfan kuntia COVID-19. Diani, ma Ghana. Yeah, the first country to be chosen by the UN. Say, yeah, the first recipient of COVAX vaccine 19 and COVID-19 vaccine. Yeah, di kai.
Omicha etiefo na COVID by United Nations, World Bank, and WHO, and the Gavi for tema vaccine production by say a minor period in vaccine. But we be a friend Global Alliance for Vaccine Initiative. Omo criteria be a omo de bois. Emma inya vaccine ma ye mofa e warm vaccine na say yellow fever campaign. Omo aboapa. Ya mama no pi tutu eska ema gabi for na omo de yesade no. Enti vaccines no by no omo san hu say o say omo timi de omo mo anu so ko sebe yanko for benya sa vaccine si bi omo fe no equitable distribution and so bi abenya bi I will be also over with many bino one. The Omo de Grata by and my mind said 92 and 98.
92.
92.
That's right.
And yes, Omo de buy the our criteria to what person will join the COVAX facility no omitting assignment. The Ghana so Yenga before any year the Ghana so sign onto the COVAX agreement. Nipa Corona 92, do Africa, do Middle East, do
Asia,
South America, Asia. And there were a lot of signs in the area, or more than Grata Weba. Now, what she said, you said the way immunization structures still in the yes, we had done Hanoi. There were immunization structure, very robust. There was expanded program on immunization. Shafi over here, free there 2003, and now Nema into the measles in Colombia or Ghana. Nema also Trevia, it's near mass immunization, yellow fever, and I say, you see a year polio, a mop up, or hand name and name and Tini, a year vaccination, Kwame Nipabe 6 billion. Yeah, last year, near COVID in Crassi. It may vaccinate Nipa 6 billion, yellow fever, yellow, and number and 9 year. The vaccination system in Ghana has a decentralized vaccination, a year from the sub-district level.
Not just the call from Pani, the Pajaba
from Pani. Vaccination, the idea. Into Umushini and Musu, Sabia, first batch of COVAX, the qua. Almost share no say Ghana for I Muniaman Tentem, Yama, we hear you in the Comao, and the Emfa, and here say or Ghana. Na almost so community gas a share Cobas, a nasa. And say, and now we did the Bear panel. And say, you man so Lebanon for his own from your own dear. To all the other countries, and send there, Cote d'Ivoire for Swing on dear to be our son, Biano. I mean, one or where Baha first, only Kobe Bia, Sabaya, Biabenia, vaccines in the now they are man and call for African countries, so EU, any African CDC in our swashing, Sabaya, country be antaget to say, TV, Amma, Nipan, or how much kitchen would you see 50% of the population, Biabenia, Bisabaya, all work for Nipan Dawson, now, young baby, your friend or head immunity. Just say ubia enya vaccination in ubia enya immune and I say when ya antibodies kakra e wonu mo abetimi amboa na ubia fan sign the yon kono say area kwa na ekofom ti ya really ni jai na abrofo ne wa America ni South America North America ni Europe any Asia for no ewo na say ubo say enya kam na area no enko e no because you say I a crack it, we are to crack over there. Until we are no bois, ake say ama yawe no pompo so ekofo e wo wiase na mu nyina.
Okay. Doc, it's me aka say Ghana yenya yema ye ho amu say out of 92 countries, yani the first country a global access facilities COVAX vaccine yensa ka bi. Na ebi mu bisa say eduru abai eno ebi na yede wa abrofo no abrochi. Ebi mu fi say eduru ya abai ehu bi wom wokọ wei ahwe adaachi kra no wakonya nsunsuanso bu akire. Anya bia sa questions amanfo bisa say mpo abrofo de yede wo mu ebia na yede be wo ye wo Ghana yi. Valid question. Di bisa.
Oh, so bia obi a woni mo di bisa. But the American say eduru no a omo de wo abrofo no eno bi ene de ewo enkofo wa. Enye different. Saa na enye different say eduru a oba pani be wo Ghana no saa bi de be wo enkwankwa bi o Ghana bia. O ye eduru a enema pii etita ho. Entina bakra na sana ebegia tu ye koba we say kwa sana ebegia tu. Food and Drugs Authority ye regulatory body. Eje ho krata de omusi ye ni nyina hwe. Enye Food and Drugs Authority organ and kwa ye Food and Drugs Authority wo Africa na oma form alliance a obi enya krata ni hwehwe. Ebusa question and sana ka say edro we emra. So far no nse dia kan say yeah for AstraZeneca way. Yeah so off for Russia for the defense
Sputnik.
China for so the aba and so go a omoye. Pfizer for the so obi a was sign on COVAX be also the other so and Qatar no African CDC yakoji be free COVAX for Food and Drugs Authority for any African Vaccine Alliance Avares for the you say Pfizer for the neighbor and also Papadibia. If you more than a neighbor Papadibia, if you Johnson, you are neighbor Papadibia. If you are a name, can't sleep a bus more and one cadia of the bus. To be obey BBI, if you say a BR, a Beja 2 Ghana, so you use COVAX for the a form be only 20% of your population. The whole name in a flavor. Oh my for the come at 6.2 million. I may say, them say a COVAX, sorry, a AstraZeneca year is a bear 12.4 million. Those who see in your field. The way a craving in your field. The only brain quadrin answer by yes, a 3 year account. The bear, a bit me, I in my new year, bedroom. A very affirmative call, let me pay 20 million. Let me say,
by the end of 2021, now Ghana has 20 million. You're vaccinated.
Yes, you can get it.
Okay, right.
Okay, President Kasaroka said, first vaccines never March. They are share vaccination March. I mean, a county we this. Okay. First one required before the end of February. Into the present kind now. A fat county will not air couple so they sit economy.
Right.
And President Akan say, opposite, he did do June, Yetinia war. Panian Marco, about 17.6 million, bear 8.8 million people. So, while she was a name of the book, the beginning, okay. The actually been 10, the over intentive. Na yare no so ekofom
right doc watch me say boni bia ni pane a ye be betete Ghana fo atia COVID-19 which say bibia ni achi na emom say ye kwowo na bia obi kunya reaction bi na ekoma no negative side effect bia eno no say nipa no ye be ni den ye boni fan compensation ye be compensate sa nipa na manfo si mimisa o
ye wo mechanism a ye sa de mani na nye ne ye be wo pani dikai ki ubia wo bia ye wo system e wo kwemu a ye dey hwe bi e frɛ no adverse drug reaction wo ko pani we say wo do ba e ko measles and say wo ko polio padi sapse veleti ye e be wonu no e chechire nyema ye be wo pani no wo bia wa beti di fa na se bonkum ye wo wi a ye pe pa ho kama sana ya wo mo so ya kire bibia paneɛ te sɛ wɔn aduro bi anaasɛ wɔwɔ paneɛ bi a wɔyi ase biara ɛhɔ betumi ayɛ ɔya ɛhɔ ebetumi ɔho betumi ayɛ hyi kakra ɔho yɛ hyi a anaasɛ hɔ yɛ ɔya a yɛsɛ wɔyɛ na nkɔ wofiri sɛ ɛkɔ soro a frɛ number wei anaasɛ kɔ drugstore wei kɔ a ɛbɛfili fɔm ama wo na anaasɛ bra hospital yɛhwɛ ma wo sɛ ɛnyɛ likely sɛ obi bɛhwere dɔn kɔ anaasɛ bi ɔ because ɛyɛ ade a yɛhwɛ nyinaa but obi a wɔnya problem biara no yɛwɔ nneɛma yɛde agu kwan mu a yɛbɛtumi ahwɛ na biribi ayɛ kama.
Okay. Mekai sɛ Israelfoɔ hyɛ ɔmo vaccination project na sɛ ɔmo de prime minister na ɛhyɛ aseɛ Ghana ha yɛ de president na bɛhyɛ aseɛ.
The president bɛhyɛ aseɛ.
Wow. That's the first gentleman of the land.
The president bɛhyɛ aseɛ. The president no one first. No obi ehun sɛ ɛnyɛ ade bi obi akɔfa abɛsi sɛ bi a yɛbɛyɛ biribi ɛde ɛkum nkɔfoɔ anaasɛ yɛde bɛma nkɔfoɔ ho akyerɛ.
Doc, Yamisha, na onyo kesi nyansia. Keep advising the president. Now can be some question. Earlier on you answered it. Say, and they run out. You say Johnson and Johnson or more vaccine. America FDA now approve it. Russia DS Sputnik any Modena. What you saying? You know, yadi be Chinese and fear to become. Say the entire population of about 30 million will be also say wow per panel. You bet you now so what all.
The Ebony the free covers for about 20%. And the Akanyina are buying in it.
Okay. Right.
The Bushua, so Johnson will be a buyer, you know, more as in San Kata, near Kojibi, near Tuaka. Some more dinner and a baswa, a bitiaka. The Masakata who be say private sector, and so per se, Umu, any bit now, Umuma, call for, especially. Corporate sectors or more to say hello FM. Hello. Despite media group. The private sector be a person who not come home. The Bayan say, Omode, Rema a buying act at the Abda. Almost the over to almost here be only here 2.5 million, only 2.5 million account. So they are a buyer to the back kind of stock or they are all for. Okay. Into Sunday and to be a we say Bibia Kanakoma always could be very 5 million. So we are always some deal of 5 million or the person with the bois, Utimi and the Befa ministry. The back club will be a Kahonia Budi. Some deal. Chief, meant to be on your crab, boss, Doctor Bay also the 5 million. Doctor Bay, 2 million. Right. Doc, yeah, say Nyamisha Fancy Adamo for bidding corner. But this is a president, dear Mimi Nyanka. Yamani Red TV, so no be I won't say president. Okay. Bayan live. Right. Live on television. And a forbid their food or TV for no beer to go say Moshe TV and I say TV so be a woman say president or what panini. And the bush of food now will be vice president. And then the bush of our panini. Presidential advisor on health will be. Minister for health will be. In now will be actually will be as a panino and correct. Right. The basso I'm paying for him for I can say so for and may will be our influence or for a war influence a Ghana or Cassaman of 14 now. Also do a bit of war, a will be. The camera tools. Right. The name called for Casa. Near him for them penning for the a sudden penning for was Lemin penning for big cover. So they are opening the house will be war. No beer who said, Haniano, a real to say, I took up also too for you say, why yet? He said, Shemami or shed me mask, so be a bomb and mano, none no mean will be a bomb muscle. So also, and then the Casa so bad yet. Or did to himself over Panama will be here. Then so I over me. Wow, oh, boy, unana, oh, wow, near below TV, Uncle Crow TV. I want to be a beer or not the own can be shame. Or when you say, oh, Panini. Now, what was our is to be a fancy and young. That ignited them, Yakoy, and you must say, a breath. Into COVID-19, I said, cry, figure, in few years here. Now, the toss we would say, we were going to be a back crown. and Chilpi, Gramsay, a free bear September, October. Was so to quite only Pania no certificate beer, or high, bound to play beer. Because it's all to quire, it's a test. Say, Ubia or Pania, test to hear me, but it's a yellow fever card. The son of a trampoline, once I would do country, I can get way, or COVID vaccination card away.
Okay.
I feel that copy. As out here with you, COVID, we have so.
Right.
We are also a day also be added to that you say. A card waiting the according visa. That's a way to be some. We need about my country on other side.
Doc, that's in Shoppy.
No, Mr. Das.
Dr. Anthony Siasa, on to a man penny for Sir Eba Apomode Hunsama.
Hello, 101.5 FM.